Welcome to Module 3, Communication and Formative Assessment using Google Classroom. Before we begin, let's briefly revisit Module 2. In Module 2, we focused on intentionally integrating literacy and math instruction into Google Classroom. You designed daily management elements, explored routines, and learned how digital tools can support instructional content in meaningful ways. Now that you've practiced integrating academic content, we're shifting our focus. Module 3 moves us from designing instruction to strengthening communication and feedback, two of the most powerful tools we have as educators. In this module, we'll focus on key Google Classroom features that support communication and formative assessment. Clear communication helps students understand expectations and supports families in staying informed. Formative assessments helps us monitor learning, provide timely feedback, and guide student growth. Together, communication and feedback create clarity, confidence, and continuous improvement in K-3 classrooms. By the end of Module 3, you will use Google Classroom to communicate instructional expectations and classroom updates clearly. Create formative assessments using Google Classroom tools and provide timely, age-appropriate feedback that supports student growth. This module emphasizes intentional communication not just by assigning work, but guiding learning. In Module 3, you will complete several important tasks. You'll complete Assignment 3, which focuses on providing timely, age-appropriate feedback. You'll also complete a short quiz and participate in a weekly discussion. Each component is designed to strengthen your use of Google Classroom as both a communication and formative assessment tool. For Assessment 3, your focus is feedback. In K-3 classroom, feedback must be clear, encouraging, and developmentally appropriate. Google Classroom allows us to provide timely feedback through private comments, assignment responses, and other built-in tools. This assignment emphasizes formative feedback that promotes growth, reinforces effort, and guides next steps. For this assignment, your submission must include several components. First, identify the grade level your feedback is intended for, such as kindergarten through 3rd grade. Next, briefly describe the activity your feedback is responding to. For example, a math exit ticket, short answer question, digital assignment, or check-in. Then write 3 simple feedback comments that demonstrate positive reinforcement, growth-oriented guidance, clear next steps. All feedback should be encouraging, easy to understand, and appropriate for selected grade levels, K through 3. In addition to writing your feedback, you will identify how it would be delivered in Google Classroom. Would you use a private comment, assignment feedback, a question response, or the comment bank feature? Finally, you'll include a brief reflection explaining how your feedback supports students' learning and why it is developmentally appropriate. This reflection encourages intentional thinking about how feedback builds confidence and strengthens understanding. At the end of this module, you'll complete a short quiz with 10 questions. The quiz may include multiple choice, multiple answers, and true or false questions. As always, take your time and focus on comprehension rather than speed. The quiz is a check for understanding. This week's discussion provides an opportunity to reflect and collaborate. You'll share your thoughts, classroom experience, and ideas with classmates. You can ask questions, receive feedback, and strengthen your understanding of how communication and formative assessment look in real K-3 classrooms. These conversations deepen professional learning. As we wrap up Module 3, remember that feedback is one of the most powerful instructional tools we have. When using effectively in Google Classroom, feedback can clarify expectations, guide improvement, build confidence, and strengthen communication with students and families. As you complete your assignment, focus on clarity, encouragement, and developmentally appropriateness. You're not just practicing with a digital tool, you're strengthening instructional quality and impact. And a quick quote: intentional communication leads to stronger understanding, and meaningful feedback leads to growth.